the end result is a finished bathroom you love. But getting to the end of a remodel takes some preparation. Before your rebath technician ever arrives, there are a few things you can do to ensure a smooth installation. Start by removing all personal items from the tub and shower area. This includes bottles, soaps, towels, and anything else that is independent from the bath surround. Remove all knickknacks, pictures from the walls, and small furniture from the bathroom, as well as the hallway and opposite walls from rooms adjacent to the bathroom to clear a path and avoid any unexpected incidents. On arrival, the technician will need adequate parking, a cleared entrance, and a clear pathway to the bathroom. They will need access close to the bathroom entrance. Please be aware of water shutoff and electrical panel locations. And if necessary for the project, make sure the attic door or basement is cleared and accessible. Lastly, for safety reasons, you'll need to keep children and pets away from the technician and installation area. Following these guidelines will make installation quick and easy. Visit Rebath.com for a Rebath location near you, or for more information call 1-844-9-REBATH.